Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to solve this angle-side angle triangle using the law of sines. We'll begin by assigning variables to our given sides and angles. We'll let the left angle be A, the right one be B, and then the side length is going to be opposite our angle C, so that is equal to small c. We'll then assign variables to the unknown angle and two sides. So our unknown angle is going to be C. Our side opposite angle A is little a, and our side opposite angle B is little b. We'll start by finding angle C. So our angle C is 180 degrees minus A minus B. So this is 180 degrees minus 29 degrees minus 51 degrees. This gives us 180 degrees minus 80 degrees, which is 100 degrees. We'll now find sides A and B using the law of sines. We'll start by writing down our formula. A divided by the sine of angle A is equal to B divided by the sine of angle B is equal to C divided by the sine of angle C. I always tell students to write down the formula first, and that really helps to memorize the formula if you have to memorize it, because you've been practicing it with every example problem that you do. Let's now fill in the information from our triangle above. A divided by the sine of A, which is 29 degrees, is equal to B divided by the sine of 51 degrees is equal to C, which is 10, divided by the sine of angle C, which we just found to be 100. We can then solve for A. I'm going to skip a step because this is very similar to what we just did in the previous example. So we can say that A, multiplying both sides of the equation by sine 29 degrees, A is equal to 10 divided by sine 100 degrees times sine 29 degrees. When you throw that into your calculator, you end up with an answer of 4.92. To find B then, we can say that B is equal to 10 divided by sine 100 degrees, and now we're going to multiply by sine of 51 degrees. And the calculator gives an answer for that of 7.89.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.